Ebi bigambirwa babemba tongoza icyiciro cy'abeegyesha 38 b'ishomero rya Mpondwe Rubiri ha secondary school abisirwa abaheekyera ba ADF mu mwaka gwa 2023 omu district ya Kasese.
Laid down there. Now next is
while security agencies continue to remain vigilant, we recognize that the strongest defense against terrorism begins with our communities. It has already been said. Through trust,
terrorism has an indiscriminate damaging effect when schools, universities, health centers, and other social institutions become targets. Rubiriha and Gichamba incidents were not simple attacks on students. It was an attack on Uganda's investment in education and future human capital.
Zulaika Namfikor Project Manager w'ekitongole kya Peace Beyond Borders na Prospective Initiative bajya ngo bagerezeho kwegesa abantu kureba ngo bamanya kabaka ryo mu kwejwanzi mu buheekyera.
We've made various contributions to the district since we began contributing to enhancing public awareness and sensitization. We've trained local leaders, including from the technical side, how you can use your place as the CDO of Munkunyu Mr. Byaruhanga here. How you can use your place as the CDO of Mariba, Madam Ruth here. How can you use your position to make sure you strengthen community resilience?
Today we are also here to unveil a memorial later today. But I think it's important to say that this is just not a memorial. As I understand it, this is a place where the names of those who lost their lives in the attack in 2023 will remain visible.
Rogers Baruku orichairman w'entebe ya Kashata bwa Town Council ya Mpondwe Rubiri ha simirabe byo kwerinda bwo kwera abantu okutunga obusinge kuyabaheekyera bitabejo mu mwaka gwa 2023.
We are indeed touched and we feel blessed to have a nation or a group of people that care for other people, because if these people were not caring, then the parents today would not be seated here. We the leaders, we would not be seated here, because I believe if there was no intervention by that time in 2023, right now would be far away from here.
Yes, esukuru kuyatsuka niyanga menya obole kintu kyabyo muki omusukuru igana muyibuli abwe sengata mulangera
Abeegyesha 38 n'Abatuura 5 bakafa kandi abeegi 18 bakabuza amisho tino rukumanya hibari. Amakuru agasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.